head gasket's bad. Oh my god. That's so bad.
That's alright.
Oh my god. What is up, guys? So today is a day I'm going to be registering the BMW and the right-hand drive Z. I figured we were kind of done with snow for the year, but of course it's snowing. The irony on that one, of course, but it'll probably dry up by the time like the afternoon comes, but it's like 7:15, which means I'm late. So the line's probably gonna be long as piss. The CT DMV sucks. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hoping the snow deters some people from going. I don't know. So got my paperwork already, got my wallet all ready, and hopefully we can get these cars registered without any issues. Let's go to the DMV. Of course, I'm stuck behind a bus. Oh yes, he turned. I could feel the DMV line getting longer. As long as the line isn't outside the door, I'm gonna be like content. Oh, f me, the line is outside. Ew. There it is, guys. We officially made it to the DMV in under 3 hours. It took just about 2.5 hours, maybe a little bit more, but it wasn't too bad. Luckily, I got like a really cool employee. Didn't even care the VINs weren't in the system, just kind of did his magic. So I got Classics plates. I was going back and forth on getting like Classics plates versus just regular plates. I didn't want the cars to look hella old with the Classics plate on them, but I don't know. I thought they looked cool. They're nice and simple. I don't know, I'm being weird, but I'm happy. All right, I need to shut up. I'm gonna go get breakfast, go to the shop, and get back to work. So we're at the shop, as you can probably tell. So yesterday, I did film a little bit. I did end up dropping a video just because I came here, I tried to be productive, and I just wasn't feeling good. I don't know what was the problem. Step things with my allergies, but I was just exhausted and miserable, and I went home super early. So, but I did get a few things done yesterday that I'm really pumped about. So I'm gonna show you guys yesterday's footage that I do have, and then we'll go from there. So my big goal for the week is to get the E36 like roadworthy, like get it presentable enough to be able and like safe enough to drive on the road. Of course, on top of all the S13 stuff. So I actually happened to find a driver, like a left-hand door for the E36. I have a door, but all the internals are shot, and the price I'm getting for the door is basically the same price I'd pay for just the internals alone, and it's already red and it's in like perfect condition. So I figured I'd just replace the whole door. So I gotta drive like an hour away, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm getting the whole thing for like 80 bucks, which is sick, and hopefully it fits in the Saturn. Well, there it is, guys. An E36 door with the glass up fits in a Saturn Ion. So I was really scared that wasn't gonna fit, but it did. So I did clean up the Rezacs, at least 2 of them. So I'm gonna throw these 2 on, get the 2 boof ones off, and then we're gonna polish them up and go from there. All right, guys, I threw the wheels on the driver's side, and that's all set. These ones are all polished up, so they look fire. Guys, as you can see, this wheel is pretty hit. Ugh, no bueno. Now, what makes this a pain in the ass is the fact that the lip is on top, not behind the face, so we actually have to get in all these crevices, which is gonna suck, but we could do it. We're gonna get it as best as we can. I don't really like care if it's not perfect, but sometimes you can get away with just kind of like extending it with some polish and just blasting it like with like a foam ball or something. But today we're gonna jump straight to sanding. To get these like perfect, it's take a lot of work, but we're gonna make them look half decent. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be sanding the lips with 1500 grit, 2000 grit, and then hitting it with the polish ball, and we should be able to get a half decent finish that I'm totally happy with. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is obviously clean it so there's no dirt or anything that might just kind of chew into the lip when we wipe it down. So I'm just spraying it with some Windex to get all the crap out of it. I mean, I kind of already washed these, but let's get the dirt out of this bitch. Lip every corner and try and get between every single bolt with some 1500 grit, and we're gonna keep the paper wet so it works better. Alright, guys, so we're done with the 1500 grit. My fingers are killing me. It is now time for the 2000 grit. Almost done, finished with the 2000 grit, and the next part is the fun, easy part.
Made
What's up, guys? Just got here. Jimmy asked me to swing by and help him change the door on that thing.
Yes, sir.
And what are you doing, Jimmy? What do you got?
I'm finishing up this wheel. These freaking bolts make it miserable. It's getting there. It
always sucks to polish. It looks pretty good though.
It's getting there for what it was, for a half-ass polish.
Wow.
I got it. And Beehall, what do you think of the new door?
It's not too bad.
It matches the red a lot better than I thought it would.
Well, we gotta put it up. I don't know if it's gonna match the part where all the clear peeled up. Maybe we should just start peeling off the top.
Maybe we should just wipe it with some dirt and acid.
Yeah, then it would match for sure. Let's see how far off we are.
Oh, yep. We need to pull it back. She touching the fender.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So the gap is we're getting close. That Beehall did that pretty fast. We definitely need shims right here because as you can see, it like sits behind the fender, and before it should perfectly align.
Yeah, you can see.
All right, guys. So the window actually it gets caught up on the trim because BMWs are stupid and they have that like weird auto lock feature where when you close it should go up and lock itself underneath the trim, which is good, but it's annoying.
Frameless windows.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. But
Jimmy's grandma stopped by with pepperoni rolls, so shout out Jimmy's grandma.
best grandma ever.
Best grandma ever.
Good news. You want to tell the good news, Beehall?
Well, the window motor is good, I guess.
All right, some of the rubber sealing trim on it is a little bit thicker in some spots, which causes the door to not like fully seat, but it's getting there. He's got this body line down pretty mint. Beehall, I think it looks good.
Good enough? Not too bad?
Not bad. Now you could, okay, now the red looks like it really sticks out. We'll go here. Better than the green. That looks good. You would never know. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got the door on. Look at it. It's not like a completely different shade of red. I know it's close. It looks a lot better though. We are gonna paint it, and I know everyone is just like, why don't you just paint it? Like, painting a car is a lot harder than just like, it's painted, you know what I mean? Like, it either takes a lot of time or a lot of money, or both. And in this case, I don't want the money, and I'm not ready to commit the time into it just yet. I want to drive it around a little bit, enjoy it before I rip it apart again and paint it. So, but the wheels are polished. I still got to do one more wheel today. The worst wheel, and I'm dreading it horribly, but we'll get it done. This one's got a lot of pitting, and oh boy. Been doing a lot of talking, but I'm gonna throw the plates on real quick because I'm so freaking excited. Wish me luck on this one, guys. This one's rough. It honestly came out a lot better than I was expecting. All the pitting basically got out of the lips. And of course, between the bolts isn't perfect. It's really, really hard. I don't know if they make like a small tool, like a small brush or something, but. And RJ is here on lunch.
I am.
What's up, homie?
What's going on?
You ready for your birthday present?
I totally forgot about that. That's not even why I came here.
Oh, okay. Well,
I just came here to see you.
I didn't wrap it, so.
When do you?
Yeah, I would have fucked it up anyways. Here you go. Happy merry birthday.
Hey, thanks. Oh boy, I hope it's anthrax. Or a giant dildo.
Ta-da.
Hey! Thanks, dude. We were just talking about this.
The final piece of the puzzle.
All right.
So this is the last thing we needed for RJ's turbo swap in the Miata. That's an AFR gauge. Now, if you don't know what AFR gauge is, it basically tells your air-fuel ratio. Are you looking for something?
Well, usually there's like 15 rigs.
Here you
Oh,
go.
got one. That's exactly what I was going to say.
It's the air-fuel ratio, so you can basically tell what your air-fuel ratio is, and that's very, very, very important on a turbo car. So
That's why you kept telling me Roberto wasn't answering you.
yeah. Well, there you go.
Cool beans. Hey, thanks. Oh, shit, I'm breaking it already.
Sweet. So we should be probably starting that next week, early next week, right? I think we're gonna start it next week.
Whenever you tell me to bring it down here.
Because either DJ's gonna get his car out, or I'm gonna, since I'm just gonna start dailying the E36. The E36 really won't be in here too much, so get the Miata down here. Oh shit!
I'm pumped.
Turbo time.
I can't wait.
Cleaning up the wheels did so much for it. I'm really impressed at how well this door matches somehow, but we need this thing painted. Like I said, it's just, we'll get there. We'll get there, but I am so pumped right now. DJ's about to walk in. He just showed up, so I'm excited to see what he thinks.
Oh my god. I hate you.
That was too easy.
Boy, that's cherry.
What you think?
That's cherry as fuck. God damn.
She getting there.
Oh my god. Now you gotta like.
No, now I gotta paint the fucking thing. Well, the idle's still a little funky. It's a little hesitant. It's a little all over the place. I don't. My alignment's definitely off. Alignment is boof.
Is it?
Oh yeah. God, this clutch is so harsh. Dude, this thing's smoking a lot.
Yeah, then you're over.
Oh no. Maybe my head gasket's bad. Oh my god.
Alright.
Oh my god.
You're rubbing. That's probably from your tires.
Oh, that is probably from my tires.
That's your tires, 100%.
Oh, let's see it.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Roasted.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
It wasn't even making any noise. Look at this. It's straight turned it to tar. Look at this. These are some soft compound tires.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I knew that was
I'm
the
mad.
tires.
I'm mad. I touched this.
So Jimmy rubbed quite a bit through his tires.
It's really bad, guys.
We didn't even go far. Like literally,
I don't even want to like. I don't even know what to do.
even if you go, it's not gonna matter how fast or slow you go. You just gotta send it.
You know, this is exactly how you want your first test drive to go. In the shoulder with your hazards on.
Not in the rocks.
Oh, we're in the rocks. Oh, ew. Not hyped. Alright, so this is probably gonna bring on some stance hate, but it's because I stanced it poorly because I didn't think it was gonna rub, and it did. And that's my fault. But we can correct this. I could either roll the fenders a little bit more rear camber, and eliminate that. If we can get it in just like this much more, I don't think it'll rub, which isn't nothing. Which is like a degree of camber, which is I could happily sacrifice. So that's upsetting because I thought it was like ready to go, but it's running really great, which is sick. The idle is fine now, which is really, really cool. I think the wheels are unbalanced, which is like really annoying. So I should probably take the wheels off and go get those balanced. But what's up, B-Hall?
Chillin'.
How'd you like my little stance mistake?
Listen, we've all been there. We've all destroyed our quarter panels and tires and put rubber everywhere. What are you going to use to remove the rubber? There's a bunch of different things that work. Wax and grease remover just melts it right off.
Beautiful. Sold. Good thing I bought some. All right, guys. So I was gonna go pull the E36 in. Oh, I'm gonna pull the E36 in, and I knew I had a motorized headlights, which I've never seen before on an E36. I didn't think they worked, but now that it's outside, like pointing us to, I'm so pumped. You gotta see this. All right, so you guys see this little switch right here in the dark? It's basically a dial. Let's look at the lights. Do you see it going down and then up? They're slow. I don't know, that's really cool that the headlights move up and down. There's 3 different positions. I don't know, that's just one of those cool little features that you don't get on a lot of cars, so thought it was sick. This side, it's a little tight. Okay, no, it's literally on the fender. How did I not realize that? Okay, I guess I didn't fully roll the fender. Maybe my paint's all cracked. Sick. My fault. I got a little eager and didn't check the fitment first and just kind of sent it. Pulled power from the bank of that one system that was having a power draw. Now it doesn't draw any power, and for some reason the car is running way better now. Sick. I'm not gonna poke at it. I'm just happy it's doing that. So we'll get the stance right tomorrow. We'll drive it around. I ordered some stuff to do some like DIY aero to the car because there's not a lot you could do to the E36 like stock aero stuff, and we'll go from there. But DJ, how's your car going now? We fixed the power steering leak, we fixed the coolant leak, and now you just gotta make this thing legal like I just did for my cars. Yeah. You guys are gonna cringe at this one, but I'm laughing. So, as you guys know, my clear coat is hit, or just my car, my paint in general is hit. I took a little bit of compound to it, and it kind of brightens up a decent amount, but I'm not using buffing compound. I'm using wheel polish. It's working. I mean, in a sense, it's basically the same thing. It's just an abrasive, basically gel almost compound, and it's like basically like really, really fine sanding off a layer clear coat. It's it's somewhat of the same thing. Guys, look at this. Look at this one area versus this. Huge difference. Hell, you can call me Chris Larson now. Grizzly, you're watching this, you're probably cringing, but this is hilarious. I mean, look at this. I don't know. Maybe I should just attempt to buff the thing. It doesn't look half... I mean, it looks bad.
I told you could bring her back.
Yeah, I mean, from what? A 2 or 0 to a 2? I don't know. Would you guys do it too? All right, guys. So another amazing thing about the E36 wiring. I don't know how in the living hell this could ever happen.
Because E36.
Okay. Ready for this? Say we're chilling right here, and I want my toll booth thing on and my radio on. What button do I press?
Both.
Let's turn the map light on. Turns my radio on.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Is there a stash box
Custom.
in here?
Custom. Ready? Oh, we want it off now? It's nothing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
There might be a stash box in the car.
What the fuck? Damn, DJ. Your Sylvia's looking frosty.
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 Icy.
Icy. Woo-wee. Now, if both sides look like that,
I know.
it's okay. We could take pictures on one side.
That's what I've been doing.
All right, guys. So today, I know that today's footage has been kind of random and all over the place. I've been really focused on getting the E36 roadworthy, and we got a lot done today. Fixed a lot of wiring issues, buttoned up all the interior stuff that was loose. I tried to get my fitment right, and I skunked myself. I tied up a lot of loose ends on the car, but we finally got the wheels like presentable. But still embarrassed about my my fitment fail, but we'll get it right. I'm gonna try and see if I can get adjustable camber arms tomorrow at FCP Euro. They have them in stock, and get that all set so we can have this thing on the road, roadworthy, and I'm dying to drive the fucking thing. So my S13 coupe, if you guys are still watching, quick update. You guys know I've been waiting on my valve springs retainers for my head so I can get my head done and then get down on the engine and get the engine in. It's like this, you know, of course it's a domino effect. And of course the one thing that I need to get the thing started has been one thing that hasn't come in yet. And today was like my last day of being patient. And now I'm just kind of pissed. So I'm gonna make a few phone calls tomorrow, yell at a few people, and hopefully get these valve springs sent to me before the weekend and get my head out so I can actually get this stupid car together. Because it's embarrassing for me because it looks like I'm being a lazy asshole not working on my car, but it's just part of the game. But for that, I think we're gonna end it. Hope you guys liked today's video, and I guess that's it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Donald,
Have a great fucking night.